What's going on YouTube? It is time to turn this pile of parts here and this motor back into a motorcycle. I'm Bryce Builds It All. I'm your favorite aircraft mechanic, AMPIA Part 147 instructor, but I've been working on this project on the side here for the last few weeks, and it has destroyed my channels, absolutely wrecked it, but I've enjoyed doing it. Thank you so much to those of you who've been sticking around for it and liking the videos, leaving comments. I really appreciate that. But I'm gonna start the process of getting this thing back together. I think I'm just gonna throw on a time warp. I've kind of put the engine on its side. This might be kind of difficult, but instead of trying to lift the engine and set the engine in the frame, I'm going to take the frame, which is much lighter, and slide the frame over the engine, and then I'll put the bolts back in it and I'll turn the frame back upright, at which point I'll be able to get the axles and everything back in it, get it jacked up, get it on the center stand, get the wheels and tires and all that stuff back on it. So stick around. Okay, off camera, I did get it up on the center stand. I did put the forks on it. I cleaned them up, same way I cleaned up the engine. A little Scotch-Brite and some WD-40, and then a friend of mine has my engine hoist. So I just did this to hold it, but now that it's held, I can get the jack under it, and I can lift the front up. So, didn't say this, but the wheels and the new tires are actually up in Bandera. So I'm gonna go to, quote-unquote, lunch, and what that actually means is I'm gonna go to Bandera, I'm gonna pick up my wheels and tires so that I can put the wheels and tires back on it. And once I do that, we'll have a roller again. We'll be able to push it all around the shop, I'll throw the handlebars on it, and then it'll start going back together really fast. So there you go, everyone. That is going to do it all for this video. Because the next video I really want to be the grandiose reveal, if you will. I got a new battery coming for it and a new voltage regulator from Rick's Motorsport that is set up for lithium batteries. The one that's in it was going bad. I didn't realize it, so I started it. I was running it. I was riding it around, obviously, and the diodes weren't working. So it was putting like a whole lot of AC power into the battery. It overcharged it. The battery kind of ballooned up. It didn't catch fire, but the battery ballooned up, so that battery is shot. So I got a new battery for it that actually has a little voltage readout on it on the top. It's kind of cool. So the battery will go in it. The new voltage regulator will go in it, which is just a matter of putting the wires on it and plugging that in. But this is kind of the final assembly. Probably in the next video, like I said, I'm just going to get the voltage regulator in, I'll get the battery in, I'll finish getting it all put back together, finish getting things torqued, which is not going to be the bulk of the video. The bulk of the video will be me revealing this beautiful motorcycle that you've been watching me build and finishing it up. So thank you all so much for watching this series. One more video coming on it, and then I'll probably do a moto vlog or two on it and, you know, go back to the old days, if you will. So thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you leave us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Make sure you go buy yourself a shirt. I don't know, do whatever makes you happy, do whatever brings you joy and happiness in your heart, and as always, go build something and be easy.